Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Okay, I'm super excited to have every one of us here today. Okay, today's class is a very interesting one. As always, I'll be showing us how to design a magazine, a fashion magazine at that. Yes, I'll be showing us how to design this particular lovely magazine. You see this particular one, yes, and I'll be showing us how to mock it up in two different ways. I'll be showing us how to mock it up with this one, and I'll also be showing us how to mock it up with with this other one. Trust me, today's class is a very interesting one. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Okay, first thing, I will be clicking on those three dots here. I want to change the image size. I want to check the image size very quickly. Okay, we're making progress. So I'll be deleting this. Good. Okay, so I'll be clicking on this icon, this two square icon here. I want to import a picture that we want to use as our background. So that's why I'm clicking this particular one here. Okay, so I'm going to from gallery. I want to locate the picture that we'll be using very quickly. Okay, so this is the picture we'll be using. Good, so I'll just click on OK. Perfect, we are making progress. So this is the picture. It has automatically come as the background. Very simple. It is not difficult at all. Okay, now I'll be clicking on this plus sign. I want to edit my text. Okay, so I'm gonna be writing volume 1. You know now how we design magazine is quite different from how we design a normal book. So I'll be writing the volume, the issue, and the year at the top. Very easy. So this is it. So I'm just gonna be reducing it a bit. I'll reduce that a bit. Then I'll go to where we have our spacing. I'm gonna expand the spacing a bit. Then I'm gonna place it right here. Perfect. Then I'll be typing the magazine name. Our magazine name for this for the benefit of this class, the name of our magazine is called Elegant. Okay, good. Elegant. So I'll be changing the color. Perfect. Then I'll be changing the font. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. I think this is better. I'll expand it this way. I'll place it here. Then I'll be giving it a stroke. All these little details go a long way. Trust me. They really go a very long way. So I'll be expanding that this way. Good. Let's see. Perfect. So I'm just going to be placing that there, because I'm just going to be typing in what we are going to those key points you're going to be getting in the magazine. I'll be typing it outside. So that is just basically how to design a magazine. You'll be typing in the keywords, the key topics that will be discussed inside the magazine. You'll be typing them on the cover of the magazine so that people can just see it at a glance rather. So for the benefit of this training, I'll be using this, how to become a professional graphics designer. Okay, so I'll be clicking on OK. So I'll be changing the color. Very quickly. I'll be changing the color to color black. Okay, then I'll be giving it a stroke to make it more pronounced. I'll be using the stroke, but I'll be reducing the width of the stroke. Okay, this is better this way. Okay, now I'll be typing in something else, the trend issue. Okay, so all in capital letter, the trend issue. Okay, so that one will be coming this way. I'll be changing the font. I'll be changing the font very, very quickly. Okay, let's see, let's see. Okay, I think this is the font I used. So I'm going to where we have our text size. I'll be increasing it that way. Let me reduce it a bit. I'll be placing it somewhere around here. Okay, let me reduce this a bit. Then I'll be giving this a shadow. Yes, I'll be giving it a shadow, this kind of shadow. Perfect. See that? Then I'll be typing in secret of fame, all in small letter of fame. Okay, perfect. Then I'll be bringing it here. I'll be reducing the size a bit. Good. So I'm just going to adjust it a bit. Good. So I'll be merging those two together, the secret of fame and the trend issue. So I'm just going to merge it together. Yes, you see that? Perfect. Moving forward, I'll be typing in something else. Women and class, all in capital letter. Women and class. Okay, perfect. So I'll be changing the font. I'll be changing the font very, very quickly. Okay, so let's see which font can we use here. I'm not okay with this. I'm not okay with that. Trying to get a very nice font. Okay, I think I prefer this. And this, okay. Then I'll be giving it a shadow as well. Very, very quickly. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I'll be still on the texting issue. So I'll be typing in top. Okay. Top. So I'll move it here very quickly. So I'm just following the sample we have here. I'm just following the sample I have showed us earlier. So that is what we are basically trying to replicate. I'm just following the sample we have. That's what we want to replicate right now. Okay. Then another one, top 20. Okay. So I'll be moving that here very quickly. So I'll be bringing that down very quickly. I'll be moving that down very, very quickly. Okay. Top 20 women in tech. So I'll be typing that very quickly. Women in tech. Okay. Brilliant. We are making progress. Good. So I'll be changing the color to this. Then I'll be giving it a stroke of black color. So I'll just reduce that a bit. Good. So this 20, let me increase the size a bit. And I'll be changing the font to something a bit bold. Okay, let's see. Good. I think this is better. Then I'll be giving it a stroke according to the sample we have here with us. I'll be giving it a stroke. Then I'll be changing this. I'll be increasing this a bit. Okay, let me give it a color. I'll be giving that a color as well. Okay, still this. Perfect. Then I'll be giving it a shadow effect. I'll be giving it a white shadow effect so that it can be visible. So I'll be giving it a white shadow effect. Good. So let us quickly arrange this. Let's arrange this very, very quickly. So let me just reduce this a bit. I'll place it here. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is making a whole lot of sense. Trust me. So I'm just going to merge that together. So I'll click on our layer, click on this guy down here. Then I'll click on this top 20 men in tech. Okay, good. So they are now a single entity. I can just reduce that a bit and place it somewhere around here. Perfect. Then next thing, I'll be bringing our barcode. You know, most magazine, most book, they used to have this ISSN number and a barcode. So we'll just be replicating that very, very shortly. Clicking on my plus sign, going to my gallery. I have actually downloaded a barcode earlier, so I'll just be bringing that in very, very quickly. So you can just get that on your Google. So I'm just cropping that very, very quickly. So I'll just crop that way. Good. I'll reduce the size a bit, reduce it a bit, reduce it a bit. Good. We are making progress. So I'm going to our shapes. Okay, good. I'll be going to our shapes. I need a rectangle just this way. Perfect. So I'll be placing that rectangle here. It has to be long this way. Okay, let's see what we have here. So I'm just trying to make it look as realistic as possible. Trust me. So I'm just trying to adjust that very quickly. Perfect. Okay, so let me just extend that a bit. I'm going to where we have our image size. Let's see. Perfect. Relative size. I'll be moving it up a bit. Okay. So let me just move it down a bit. Let me just move that down a bit. Perfect. Good. Good. So I'll be typing in lifestyle and trending woman. I'll just be typing that in very quickly. Lifestyle and trending woman. Okay, perfect. So I'm changing the color to color black. Yes. Then I'll reduce that a bit. I'll place it here. Then I'll be giving it a stroke color black. I'll be reducing it to 1. Good. I'll reduce it a bit. Then I'll go to where we have our spacing. I'm going to space it out a bit to give it this wonderful effect. Okay, let's see. Perfect. We are making progress. Just look at that. Looking all beautiful already. Wow. I am sure you are enjoying this class because I am definitely having a wonderful time. Trust me, I'm having a wonderful time. So that is that about that. We are making progress. So let's just reduce this a bit. Good. Now I'll be writing the name of our model. I'll be writing that out very quickly. So for the benefit of this class, the name of our model is Victoria Williams. Very, very quickly, Victoria Williams. Okay. I'll expand that out a bit. I'll be changing the font very quickly. Okay. This is the font I used. Okay. So I'll be working on the color. I'll start from the stroke, giving it this color. Okay. Then I'll be going to where I have my shadow, giving it this color. Then I'll be enabling the outer glow, then reducing the blur radius. Very, very beautiful. You see that? It's looking amazing. Like amazing, trust me. I'll be adjusting that this way. If you are new to my YouTube channel, why don't you subscribe to my YouTube channel now so that you can be getting amazing videos like this. And I want you to like this video if you are enjoying this video. If you are gaining a thing or two from this video, I want you to like this video, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's keep moving. So I'll be putting a detail here, a detail test, loving the attention. So I'm basically following the sample we have here with us. That's just what I'm doing. Okay. Loving the attention. Good. All in small letter. Okay. So that's that about that. I'll be changing the color to color black very, very quickly. Good. Then I'll be giving it a white color stroke to make it stand out. Perfect. Then I'll be rotating it this way. I'll reduce it a bit. I'll place it here. Let me just reduce it a bit. Then I'll be working on the spacing very quickly. That way, perfect. Okay, let's see. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Trust me, this is very, 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 very beautiful. I am loving this work as well. Trust me. Okay, so that is that about that. Okay, let me give these strokes so that it can come out well. I'll be giving it a white color stroke. Let's see. Perfect. So that is that about that. Very, very easy. Like easy peasy. Very, very easy. Very, very easy to design. Trust me. Very, very easy. And it's looking very, very classic as well. Wow. So we've designed using our pixellab. So first things first, we'll save as a project, then we save as image before we now move to our photopea where we're going to be mocking it up on a wonderful magazine cover. Okay, so I'll be saving as project in case I want to, edit some things in the future. I won't have to start all over again. So I'm just gonna save it as elegant magazine. Okay, so I'll save as image. Then the dimension is going to be on ultra. Don't forget, very, 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 very important. And you save it, saving in. Now we are done with our pixel lab. I'll be showing us two different mocking up method we can use using our what? Using our photopea. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. We are live on photopea, on our photopea interface. Yes, what you just do, you just go to your Chrome, any browser you're using at all, just type in www.photopea.com and it automatically brings this photopea interface. It is very, 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 very easy to use. It is not difficult at all. Okay, now I want to import my mockup. I want to import my mockup so that I can just place what I have designed on the pixel lab, so I can just place it there and see our beautiful work. Now, without wasting much of our time, let me show you how we can do that very, very quickly. So I'll be clicking on my file. Yes, then I'll be clicking on open. Once I click on open, I'll click on file again because I'm trying to locate where I have the mockup. Okay, I have my mockup here, this one. So once I click on that, it automatically loads up for me on my photopea this way. You have to be very, very patient when working with photopea, trust me. Okay, this is the first mockup I want to use. So I'll be clicking on this guy here, layer. I'll click on it. Once I click on it, it opens up this interface and I'll be tapping on this little white and black box. This your design here. I'll be tapping on the little white and black box we have there. Once I double tap on it, it brings this, but I can't work with this, so I'll just go back to my layer. Then I will click on this eye icon. Once I click on the eye icon, it hides the initial design we have there, so I can go back to my file, then click on open and place. Then I can bring in my design. Trust me. Okay, so I'm just gonna locate where I have my design. I have it on my pixel lab. So this is what we just designed. Okay, I have it on my pixel lab, so it's going to load up. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to expand it a bit. I will adjust it in such a way that it covers the mockup that way. Perfect. So I'll click on my file, then I'll click on save smart object. I'll click on save smart object. Very, 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 very simple. Once I click on save smart object, it saves it for me. So once I click on this one, this mockup here, I want to see what we've designed. Okay, it's loading up. It's loading up. It's loading up. Wow, look at that. This is what we've designed. This is beautiful. So I'm just going to click on my file. I want to save it. So I'm going to click on export as PNG. Okay, export as PNG. It loads up, is exporting it, is saving it for you. Wow, so this is it. So I'm just going to click on save. I'm going to download it. You see that? So let's open it and see. Let's open it and see. Let's see. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow, look at it. It is not even blurry at all. You won't even know you designed this using a phone. This is lovely. I need you guys to try it out. And give me a feedback. I really need to hear from you guys. Trust me. Now let me show us another one. Let us mock it up on another mock-up. Okay, very, very quickly. So I'm just going to close all of that. I'm going to close all of that. Okay, we are back to the beginning. I want to use another mockup, don't forget. So I'll click on file, open, click on files. I'm just trying to locate the mockup I have. I'm trying to locate it. Okay, this is the one I want to use. A lot of people keep saying photopea is hard, photopea is hard. If you follow it the way I have explained and you are not getting it, just come and tell me. Come and meet me. I will explain it for you. Photopea is very easy to use, trust me. Okay guys, now let's try another method. Yes, let's try another method. We're going to be using a different mockup this time around. Let's see if we're going to be getting the same amazing results. Okay, so I'll click on my file, open. Now I want to locate where I have my mockup. So I want to use this particular mockup. So it's loading up, it's loading up. You have to be very patient when using photopea, trust me. You have to be very patient. Wow, look at this. So I'll be clicking on my layer, this guy here, then I'll be clicking on these two little boxes, this white and black boxes. I'll be clicking on it. So I'll double tap it very quickly. Once I double tap it, it opens up for me this way. Okay, so I will close this eye icon, don't forget. Perfect. So I'll go to my file. I'll go to my file, open and place. So I want to locate where I have the design. I want to locate it very quickly. I want to locate that very quickly. I have it on my pixellab. Okay, so it's going to load up, open, and it's going to place it on my mockup. Very beautiful. So I'm going to expand it in such a way that it covers my mockup. Don't forget, it's very important. Then after that, I'll go back to my file, save smart object. So it's going to save it for me automatically. Smart object updated. Beautiful. So I'm going to click on this one. Let's see the preview of what we have designed. Gosh, this is beautiful. This is top notch. This is amazing. So I'm just going to click on file. I'm going to click on export as PNG. So I want to download it. So people will be telling me that photopea is hard. Photopea is hard. I don't know. Follow it this way, step by step. Trust me, you're going to get the same result. You're going to get the same result. Trust me. Let us open it and see. This one no be lie. This one are true. Like, just follow it the way I taught you. And you are super good to go. I want everybody to try it. Wow. Look at this. I want you guys to try it and feed me back. I need to hear from you guys. I need to hear your opinion about this particular design. Just look at this. Look at this. No one is going to believe I actually designed this with a phone. It is very beautiful. It is very lovely. If you have gained a thing or two from this my YouTube video, why don't you subscribe? So that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I drop interesting videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.